Tanana River. It's the sun coming up. There's a little bit of open water in there. I don't know if you guys seen that or not. Impromptu fishing trip heading to Quarts. A little later start than what we normally would have got, but like I said, it's an impromptu trip. So we'll see you out there. This is my charming wife. Just rolling out onto Quarts Lake. There's some of the ice houses. But we're not going to fish here. We're fishing somewhere over there.
Good job,
So there's Fisher 1. There's Jerry. There's Fisher 2. That's Annie. Mom's trying to fix her glove. Oh, there she goes. She's got it. It's like 10 above. Oh.
Yeah, no, come here. You hold it.
There we go. We're gonna try to get at least one more pull in the water. We'll see how it all transpires here.
There's no weight on this.
Yeah, no, there's no weight on that. It's just a spoon and eggs. Huh? I got my line going. And yes, it is 2023, so everybody does have their fishing license. And I had yours probably 4 to 6 feet under the ice. And you can hear there's somebody out there. They're drilling holes. Go put it in the water. Go put it in the water. We're going to throw it back. About a 12-inch little stalker. And there it goes.
There it goes down the stairs. I was about to get that.
The girls got cold, so they're going to go play with Legos inside the Suburban. So, no tent today, like I said earlier. Just out enjoying the view. This is what you don't get to see if you're in a tent. Oh. That's my hole and my pole. This is Jerry's. That's why he got to throw the fish back. And then that was Annie's and that one's Patty's.
There you go, and then you go that way. No. You go, I love you.
I love you.
No. Try it. There it is.
Oh, warm up time. They're playing with Legos. Eating chicken strips. The lovely wife. Yeah, Annie. She decided to get colorful on the rooftop.
Yep.
And
How's Christmas?
yeah. She got in trouble for that.
I cannot be colorful.
No.
Jerry, close your mouth. There's the 2 young ones. There's the babies, as we call them. The babies. Sun is going down. It's behind the mountain there. Still a bunch of us out here. Temperatures dropped like 10 degrees in the last hour. Went from like 10 above to 0. You can see where the hills are just getting lit up there. The lake's completely cast in the shadow of the mountains. Here's my ion auger. Love that thing. The old Suburban. The grocery getter. It's great for bringing the kids out because they get cold. You just lay the seats down and And they got a giant area to play on. Yeah. This is Alaska. This is what it's about. Well, and she throws the pole down. Exactly what I told her not to do. They say we improvised. They still wanted to fish, so I just drilled a hole closer to the vehicle. There's a moose sitting there staring at us. He's living the good life. Right along the road, munching all the willows. Hopefully he makes it till summer. This is why we live in Alaska right here. These breathtaking views. We see them every day. Most of the time we just take advantage of it and don't even really pay attention. Well guys, the end of another one. Did some fishing on Quartz Lake, now we're on our way home. We managed to catch 3 fish or 4 fish. We turned them all loose. None of them were very big. Yeah, you got open lead on the river there. And the sunset behind the mountains. Some things we just can't get over here. Some things we just take advantage of. Anyway, see you on the next one.